Okay, in the reference menu today we are going to discuss citation bibliography and the caption. What is citation or bibliography? Citation or bibliography is a short detail about book, article, journal by the author at the end of the book. Bibliography is made often in code words. Okay, let's see how can we prepare a bibliography for our book. For example, this document is a book and I'm going to prepare a bibliography for that book. Let's see. To make a citation or bibliography, we'll go to insert citation and click add new source. In this command, you'll see uh, for what you are going to write the bibliography for book, for a book section, for a journal article, for article in periodic, for conference, for report, and this is all types of documents for which you can write the bibliography for film, for performance, for patent rights, for case or miscellaneous. Okay. Now I have selected the option book and I'm going to write the bibliography of book. Let's see what can we write here. So we'll click show all bibliography fields first and we'll get all the fields that can be filled for this bibliography. Now I'm going to write author name. First of all, I'm going to type my own name here. Now it says the title of book. Okay, we say our book title is Office Automation. In which year it will be published? We say it will be published in 2023. In which city it will be published? We say it will be published in Ahmedabad. In which province it will be published? It will be published in KPK of Pakistan. And now, who is the publisher of this book? We say we'll print this book from Afaq Publishers. Who is the editor of this book? For example, we say Osman is the editor of this book. Now it says what is the volume number of this book. We often have books in series, volume 1, volume 2, volume 3. Then we write option number of volume. For example, we say it's the volume number 2 and we have 2 volumes of this book till now. Who is the translator of that book? We say Afaq Publisher is also the translator of this book. Now, what is the short title of your book? Our short title is OAC. Standard number of book is 1. Number of pages will be 1000. Which edition? We say it's second edition of the book because it is the second volume. So it is second edition. What are your comments about this book? You can write any type of comment about the book. For example, we say Office Automation for Dummies. Dummies mean new learners. Okay. In which medium it will be written? It will be written in English. Year of access will be 2023. Month of access will be December. Day of access will be 1st. And what is the DOI and URL of the book? URL and DOI both are same. That means you are going to write the website of your book. Now I'm going to write the website. The URL of my own website, pictacademy.com. So I have copied the URL from internet and I'm going to place it here. You can also paste it here also in DOI. Now we are going to click OK. Our citation or bibliography is ready. But you can see only my name is added to this document. What to do now? We'll go to the second button, bibliography, and choose a bibliography style. Here we have 3 different styles of bibliography. Bibliography, reference, and works cited. All mean the same. Okay, you can choose any of them. I'm going to choose this bibliography style. Now you can see that all the data that I have fitted in the table of citation is presented in front of me in the form of code. This is known as bibliography. Okay, you can change the style of bibliography or formatting of the bibliography by going here and choosing any style of bibliography. You will see the difference when you select any other version of bibliography. Now, if you want to add something else to your bibliography that you have prepared for your book, you will go to manage sources and click on your source and click edit. Okay, now you can change or edit your bibliography. If you need to add a new bibliography for a new book, you can click new button here and prepare another bibliography. Okay, if you don't want this bibliography to be saved in your Microsoft Word, you will just click option delete and it will be deleted from your document. Okay, now if you don't need this on your page also, just select the bibliography and press the delete button from your keyboard. It will be deleted. I'm not going to delete it. We'll place it for some time. Okay, now another option is the caption. What is caption? Caption means to add a number. To add a number. With what? With a picture, with a table, with an equation. Okay? Whenever you write a book, you can see that every chapter has numbered book of figures. Every chapter has number tables. Every chapter has equation numbers also. This is done with the help of caption. How can we do it? For example, I'm going to add some tables over my document. From where we will add the tables, in insert menu, we'll go to the table command and add a table. Now I'll go to another page and we'll choose insert table. Now I'm leaving one or two pages and placing another table on my document here. Now I think these are enough. Now I'm going to add some figures on my document. How can we add the figures? To add the figure, just go to insert picture, you know it very well, and choose the picture from your computer or from internet, from wherever you want it. For example, I'm going to add some pictures from here. Okay, this is my first picture. I'm going to wrap it as a square and I'm going to resize it also so that it may look better. Now we are going to another page and we'll add another image. Insert picture, this device, and choose the image you want to add on your page and click format picture, click word wrap, click square and resize your image to adjust it on your page wherever you want. Now I have added two images also. I'm going to add some other image also over here and we are going to choose this image for that purpose. We are going to resize it, we are going to format picture and square and we are going to place it wherever we want it on our document. Now one thing left, I want to add some equations on my document also. So from where we can add the equation? We can add the equation by typing equation directly or by insert equation and choose the equation whatever we want. Okay, one equation is added to my page. I'm going to add another equation here. So I'm going to choose the option for that and we are going to add some other equation somewhere else. Okay, here. Now I have added three different equations and three different images, three different pages on my document. Now I want to number it. Okay. For numbering these things, we'll go to tables first and go to reference, insert caption, and we'll choose the label of table here. Okay. Now you have got the table number 1. It's okay. We have move on. Next, we can see an equation. We'll go to insert caption. We'll choose the label of equation. It will give it the number of equation number 1. Now we have a figure, insert caption, and we'll choose the option figure in the label and click OK. You can see the number figure number 1. Now we can see an equation here. We'll go to insert caption again and choose equation. Now we'll get the equation number 2. We are going to add a caption with the table. For this purpose, we'll choose label in the table. We'll get the label table number 2 label here, and below is a picture. Insert caption, and we are going to choose figure, and we'll get the figure number 2. Next to that, we can see another table. Okay, insert caption, and we are going to choose a table, and you can see that computer is automatically assigning table number, figure number, and equation number to my tables, figures, and equations. This is known as captioning. We can write equation, we can add picture, we can add tables to our document anytime. And at the end, to format these pictures, we add the captioning. Okay, now we have added the caption with each equation, with each table, and with each figure. Another thing here is very interesting, that table of figures. We often find it after bibliography, at the end of the book. This is known as index. Okay, how to add this? We'll click this button, table of figures. Now, which thing you want to display first? I say tables. It says you have table number 1 at page 1, you have table number 2 at page number 2, you have table number 3 at page number 6. In the similar manner, if you have 100 tables, it will display a list of 100 tables here. Okay. Now, next to that, we are going to add equations. Now it says that you have first equation on page number 1, second equation on page number 2, and third equation on page number 9. Next to that, we are going to click the same button and choose the option caption label figure. It shows me where I have added the figures on my document. If I want to move to any picture, any table, any equation, I will just press Control button from my keyboard and click on the page number of that thing. It will take me directly to the place where that object is added on my document. Okay, this is how you can add caption and table of figures on your document